Shandong Oli Machinery Company Limited, established in 2004, is an independently operated manufacturer with its own production facility and has established a strong reputation as a reliable manufacturer and strategic partner in the global CNC tooling industry. With nearly 2 decades of experience, the company specializes in the research, development, and manufacturing of high-precision tool holders, collets, boring tools, live centers, and tapping tools. To facilitate one-stop procurement for our global distributors, we also provide a comprehensive range of machine accessories. Our portfolio includes heavy-duty lathe chucks, steel clamping kits, machine vices, dividing heads, rotary tables, and magnetic chucks. While our standardized series cover all common industrial specifications, we understand the diverse needs of your local markets. Therefore, we offer robust manufacturing capabilities to supply customized products based strictly on your samples or technical drawings. Strategically located in Jining, Shandong Province, our facility leverages convenient transportation networks for efficient international logistics. Quality is the cornerstone of our operation. We adhere to international standards, ensuring that every unit shipped meets rigorous quality control criteria. This commitment has allowed us to export approximately 90% of our annual output to over 40 countries and regions. Leveraging a solid corporate foundation and a dedicated workforce, we are committed to strengthening the OLICNC brand through responsive service and technical support. We cordially invite you to visit our factory for business negotiations. Shandong Oli Machinery looks forward to establishing a long-term, mutually beneficial cooperation with you, consistently meeting your highest expectations for product quality and service excellence.
Hello everyone, I'm OLICNC from OLICNC China. All the time, we highly value R&D on products and equipment. We continuously pay more and more attention onto quality controlling. Our operating idea is to help both our customers and employees to improve step by step.